If you are a student or a parent and you're dealing with a case where you have either your child or yourself, you're struggling with math and physics as subjects. If you are a student, you're having a really hard time figuring out physics and mathematics. And as a parent, you tend to find that your child is not really comprehending physics and mathematics. And it's always a common problem between both. It's not like your child or you as a student, you're having really high grades in mathematics, yet your performance is quite okay in physics, and the other way around, where your physics performance is really, really high and your math performance is quite low. Often it's either both of them that are really good or both of them that are really bad. And there's always a common reason behind this. Physics depends heavily on math. It combines the perception and visualization of complex concepts plus the calculations that you need to acquire as skills from mathematics. However, in mathematics classes, you learn the skills, but you don't deal with physics, because you're just simply learning mathematical skills and literally you have no idea where they fit in the real world. And physics brings in the real world to you, where you have to use those math skills. And often the case happens there's no overlap, where you find physics quite difficult and you find math quite difficult. And when you're trying to learn both of them, you have no idea where they fit together in the grand scheme of things. And the problem is quite easy to deal with. As we have seen over the years, students who are trying to become better, either some of them they go for math tutors or physics tutors, where the math tutors is someone who specializes in mathematics and physics tutors are someone or individuals or teachers who are specialized in physics. Yet, they do not speak both languages. A math tutor is going to help you fix your math problems, right? But obviously, they have no idea about your physics situation. And similarly, with your physics tutor or physics teacher, they have no idea about your mathematics situation, right? And when you are trying to bridge the gap between them, if you learn with one specific math tutor and then you jump to learn with another physics tutor, you end up being confused. Why? Very simply put, even you as a parent, if you're watching this current video, you might have noticed that you might have many tutors to your child, yet they're not getting the results that they should be getting. Simply put, because due to the lack of cohesive learning. When your child or you as a student, you're learning with a certain tutor mathematics lessons in a certain style, in a certain fashion, in a certain way, and then you jump to learn physics with another teacher who teaches things in a certain way, and there's no overlap between them, where the mathematical concepts are not being transferred to the physics concepts and vice versa. And how to fix that problem, the best approach would be, if you're planning on having tutoring support, make sure that the tutor who's going to be teaching you physics is able to teach you mathematics, and the tutor who's going to teach you mathematics is able to teach you physics, specifically if you're having problems in both of these subjects. And here's why. First of all, you're going to have a cohesive learning experience. Whatever you're learning in mathematics, your teacher, your specialist tutor has the ability to transfer it to physics. And whatever you're learning in physics that needs mathematics, your specialist tutor or teacher has the ability to select it from your math lessons and actually show it to you. That way, within your brain, mentally, you're able to make those connections. We're able to connect mathematical concepts to physics concepts. And the best way for you to master concepts in physics and mathematics, because they are really intertwined. As a mechanical engineer, physics and mathematics are the bread and butter that we have, that we are familiar with, and we are in full control of. And let me tell you something. You cannot execute physics without mathematics, and mathematics without physics is just simply a matter of skills that you have no idea how it fits in the real world. So if you are aspiring to go about something technical within your majors, or at school level, you're struggling with physics and mathematics, the best approach that you would like to go for, first of all, it's quite simple, straightforward, saves you the hassle between two subjects, ensures you're getting the same learning experience, less confusion, and most importantly, less scheduling issues back and forth, jumping between different teachers and tutors of different styles and different way of teaching and application, which ends up being quite catastrophic for the student. not to mention quite confusing to the parents, and it's a big hassle. So how do we fix that problem? It's quite simple. If you're planning on fixing your situation with physics and mathematics, your choice of a tutor should be a teacher who's able to teach you both physics and mathematics. Should be a master of both trades, not just simply focusing on one subject or the other. That way you'll save time, you'll save effort, you're going to have a full learning experience which will help you develop and make use of these concepts in your real life. So if you are a student watching this current video or a parent watching this current video, make sure that you smash the like and subscribe button in order for us to help support your educational and professional development. And if you have no idea how to proceed further trying to fix your physics and maths tutoring problem, there's nothing to be concerned with. We are the experts in this field. We've been helping students and parents across the globe over the years transform their educational and professional experience. Take a look at the video description below. We have some important resources, including our tutoring packages and services with the best top 1% tutors across the globe, across various subjects. We only have the best tutors where we guarantee progress and success and nothing less. Like I've mentioned, make sure that you join our global community, smash the like and subscribe button, and if you find that this video is quite helpful to some of your friends, your colleagues, someone who's struggling with physics and mathematics, feel free to pass on the video to them, which might be helpful. And we'll see you in the next lesson.